Hello and welcome back. Before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 90. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 6. No other help. 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 6. That 1 makes this our 2, 1. That 1 makes this our 6, 8, 1. For this row now, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 4, 3 here, so 1, 3. For this column now, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. Got an 8 here, so 2, 9. 2 here, so 8, 9. 8 here, so 2, 9. So that means the only place our 8 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. No help here. 1, 7, 9. Same here. 1, 7, 9. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 9. We've got 5, 6, and 9 here, so this is our 2. That 6 and 9 means this is our 5. 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 8. 4 here, so 5, 8. 4 and 8 here, so that makes this our 5, 8, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this row now, we're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 7 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 and 9 here, so this is our 5, 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this column now, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 3 and 6 here, so this is our 8. That 3 makes us our 6, 3. That 8 makes this our 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. And with this 7, we can get rid of this 7 and the 7. Let's see. And this 2 makes this our 9, 2. So for this row now, we're only missing a 1. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this box, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. That 9 makes this our 7 and our 1 and our 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.